Microlearning is the idea of taking lots of content and breaking it up into small bite-sized pieces. The reason for that is actually to help people to consume and understand that better. One of the myths out there is that microlearning can't be used for complicated topics. I'd like to actually disrupt and displace that myth, because what other way would you learn complicated content except to break it up into smaller pieces to help you to understand the concepts and the key principles. We've been using forms of microlearning for quite a while in the business world. We call it an executive summary or top-down communication. Instead of getting a very long 20-page report, often executives would prefer to get a summary of the 3 key points that will be covered. This is a form of microlearning. So the idea of being able to take lots and lots of content to be able to break it down into small bites is basically the concept of microlearning. Microlearning is effective and used because it helps people remember and retain better. The idea of learning should be not just to know things, but to be able to retain and apply in the future.